Hey everybody, remember we went on that nature walk earlier? Well, we found some really cool and interesting stuff. A variety of color. We found purple leaves and red flowers and pink flowers.
Are you talking to me and Mama?
I'm talking to the video, and this flower has layers. So I was thinking about, I took some press and seal. It's sticky on one side. And
I'm how big it.
okay, take some stuff out of the bag. You might need to pull them apart first, sweetheart. Okay? Okay.
Can I put that one right there?
Yep. We can make all sorts of patterns.
I'm sticking it well.
Okay. Here, put that here. You get it? Some more of these. And it would look pretty neat if we put it on all together as well. You could put the whole branch on there. So if you put some there, I'll put some on this area. I'm making it symmetrical. Symmetrical means it's the same on both sides. You could fold it in half and have it look pretty much the same.
Here, Mama, I have some more.
We have some
One.
sticks we can put here. Are you helping?
No, yes.
I found these very interesting looking. You got it? One right in the middle, huh?
Yes. A flower.
I'm gonna move this just a tiny bit for right there.
Ooh, flower. I like this.
While I'm trying to make it symmetrical, Anna is not interested in symmetry.
I am already getting tired, and it's been 2 minutes and 20.
Okay, that's okay, sweetie. You're
3
doing
seconds.
great. Okay,
Okay.
so we're almost finished. Oh, look at that. How beautiful.
Is this beautiful, Mom?
It is. It's exactly what I was talking about. We can put some on each. Is there another one of those? There is. Look at that. Now I have some on all the sides. We can put, I'm going to take these petals off of the flower so that we can have a little bit of color in all of
Can
the
I?
areas.
Yeah.
Sure. Take that last one off. And you can take the pink ones off. Okay, we need some more of these little ones over here.
I'm pushing them down.
Okay.
I push that
You
one
got
down.
it?
I push that one down.
Well, now we're going to take, so I think you could use, contact paper would work best. We don't have contact paper. So I used press and seal, but I'm afraid that it will be too opaque, which means you can't see through it. So I'm going to put saran wrap, cling wrap on top to help it be as clear as possible. Cling wrap likes to cling. You're going to carefully spread it out. Anna, can you help me spread this? You got it? I'm going to push it down.
Down. But I have somewhere to put this.
Okay, well, we'll have to make another one. We have all of this left over to make another one.
For my ring.
All right, I hope you had fun. Can't wait to see what you do. Take a picture and email it.